Hi, see you again. Yesterday, first video was really lucky. I just opened one pack. One pack, I get 55,000. Have you ever got to it too? This snack. They say is always wrong. So, but today I want to prove it myself. Watch until end. The first one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is that? What is that? Get money. How much this one? Somebody say song, but today get money. How much this one? 1,500 and 500. So one more again. So oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god. We get money. Wow. Wow. We get money. How much, huh? Okay. Oh, same. 5,000. 5,000. And one more again. How much this one? You can guys? You can guess? No, guys, yeah. Guess. How much? How much this one? How much this one? 5,000. So to snake get 7,000. Somebody say always wrong, but today I get number two. Number two, yeah. This one, what is this? Crezomi. Crezomi.